Did you know about the incredible health benefits of walnut oil? Today, we're diving into the world of this nutrient-dense superfood, a culinary secret that has been cherished for centuries. From ancient Persia to modern kitchens, walnut oil has been a herald for health, offering a unique blend of essential nutrients. With potential benefits spanning from your heart to your brain and even your skin, walnut oil is truly a nature's gift. Get ready to unlock the wonderful world of walnut oil. Boost your heart health with walnut oil. Brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, this oil is a heart's best friend. It soothes inflammation and keeps cholesterol levels in check, promoting overall cardiovascular well-being. Now let's turn our attention to the brain. These same omega-3 fatty acids are brain food, essential for its function. They may enhance cognitive function and memory, bolstering your mental prowess. So, for a healthy heart and a sharp mind, walnut oil is a smart choice. Protect your cells and nourish your skin with walnut oil. Walnut oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These potent components shield our cells from oxidative stress and the ravages of free radicals. But the benefits don't stop there. The vitamin E and linoleic acid found in walnut oil lavish the skin with nourishment, stimulate collagen production, and could even help turn back the hands of time, reducing signs of aging. For glowing skin and a stronger defense against cellular damage, walnut oil has you covered. There's more to walnut oil than meets the eye. For those mindful of their weight, the healthy fats in walnut oil can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management and reducing cravings. Not only does it help with weight, but it also supports digestive health, thanks to its mild laxative properties. Beyond this, the omega-3 fatty acids in walnut oil flex their muscles again, showing anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce inflammation in the body. And it's not just about soft tissues. Walnut oil also contains minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Cancer prevention is another area where walnut oil might lend a hand. Some studies suggest that its antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids could reduce the risk of certain cancers, like breast and prostate cancer. And let's not forget hair health. Applying walnut oil to the scalp can nourish hair follicles, promoting growth and improving overall hair health. From weight management to cancer prevention, walnut oil is a versatile addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. So, what makes walnut oil a wonder? From supporting heart and brain health due to its rich omega-3 fatty acid content to nourishing the skin and promoting collagen production, walnut oil is a powerhouse of health benefits. It even helps in weight management, aids digestion, and boosts bone health, not to forget its potential role in cancer prevention and improving hair health. With its wealth of health benefits, walnut oil is truly a wonder worth exploring.